So, good day sir, this is the number one that I'm going to discuss. So, x squared minus xy plus y squared is equal to e raised to negative x. Find the dy dx. So, d over dx of x squared minus xy plus y squared is equals to e raised to negative x, and take the derivative of each term. So d over dx of x squared minus d over dx of xy plus d over dx of y squared is equals to d over dx of e raised to negative x. Then the derivative of x squared, we use power rule, which is nx n minus 1. So this is the formula that we use to get the derivative of x squared. So 2x 2 minus 1. To get the derivative of x and y, we're going to use the product rule, which is d over dx of f times g is equals to d over dx of f plus g times g plus f times d over dx of g. So this is the formula we will use to get the derivative of x and y. So negative d over dx of x times y plus x times d over dx of y. To get the derivative of y squared, we use the chain rule. So plus d over dx of y squared times dy dx. Then the derivative of e raised to negative x, we use the chain rule again. So it's equal to d over dx of e raised to negative x times d over dx of negative 1. Because the derivative of variable negative x is always 1. Calculate the derivative. So 2x, then this problem we use chain rule. So 1y plus x times d over dx, no, dy of y times dy over dx. So this problem we use the power rule. So plus 2y times dy over dx. So this problem we use the rule of negative exponent, which is a raised to negative n is equals to 1 over a raised to n. So this is the formula that we use of this problem. So it's equals to 1 over e raised to x. Then perform the multiplication. Sorry, this is should be negative 1 only. So negative 1, this is negative 1 over e raised to x. Then next step is calculate the derivative. So 2x minus 1y plus x times 1 times dy over dx plus 2y times dy over dx is equal to negative 1 over e raised to x. Then next step is simplify the expression. So simplify the expression, then remove the parentheses. 2x minus y plus x times dy over dx plus 2y times dy over dx equals to negative 1 over e raised to x. The next step is move the expression 2x minus y to the right, then factor out the dy dx. So dy dx times x plus 2y and equal to negative 1 over e raised to x plus minus 2x minus y. Then divide both sides by x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Then cancel out the x plus 2y. So dy over dx is equals to negative 1 over e raised to x minus 2x plus y over x plus 2y. The process of subtraction like this. Negative 1 over e raised to x minus 2x plus y over 1. So cross multiplication. So negative 1 minus 2e raised to x plus e raised to x y over e raised to x. Then dy over dx is equals to negative 1 minus 2e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x y over e raised to x all over x plus 2y. Then simplify the complex division. Then simplify the complex division. The dy over dx equals to negative 1 minus 2 e raised to x plus e raised to y over e raised to x times x plus 2y. Then distribute the e raised to x. So dy over dx is equals to negative 1 minus 2 e raised to x plus e raised to y over xe raised to x plus 2y e raised to x. So this is the final answer of number 1. This is the number 2. Sin x squared y is equals to g. Find d squared y over dx squared. So where g, Earth's gravitational acceleration is 9.8. So dy over dx of sin x squared y is equals to g. And next process is take the derivative of each term. So dy over dx of sin x squared y is equals to d over dx of 9.8. Then next process is to take the derivative of sin x squared. We use chain rule. So sine of x squared y times d over dx of x squared y, then the derivative of 9.8 is 0. The derivative of trigonometric function is cos x squared y. Then this problem we use implicit differentiation. So 2xy times x squared times plus x squared times d over dx of y is equals to 0. To find the derivative of y, we use chain rule. So cos x squared y times 2xy plus x squared times d over dy of y times dy over dx is equals to 0. Then next process is the derivative of variable is always 1. So cos x squared y times 2xy plus x squared times 1 times dy over dx equals to 0. Then next process is simplify. So cos x squared y times 2xy plus x squared times dy over dx equals to 0. Then next process is contribute the cos x squared y inside the parentheses. So cos 2 cos x squared y xy plus cos x squared y x squared dy dx equals to 0. Next process is move to cos x squared y xy to the right. So cos x squared y x squared dy over dx minus 2 cos x squared y x squared y x squared xy is equals to 0. Next process is divide both sides by cos x squared y x squared. So cos x squared y xy. Then next process is cancel out the cos x squared y x squared. So cancel out. The answer is dy over dx minus 2y over x. Next process is take the derivative of each term. So d over dx of dy over dx is equal to d over dx of negative 2y over x. To get the derivative of negative 2y over x, we use the quotient rule. The quotient rule is like this: d over dx of f over g is equal to d over dx of f g minus f d over dx of g 1 over d squared. So this is the formula that we're going to use in this problem. d squared y over dx squared minus d over dx of negative 2y times x minus negative 2y d over dx of x over x squared. Next process, to get the derivative of negative 2y, we use chain rule. So d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 2 times d over dy of y times dy over dx times x minus negative 2y. Then the derivative of x is 1. 1 over x squared. Next process is simplify. So d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 2. Then the derivative of y is 1. So times 1 times dy over dx times x minus 2y times 1 all over x squared. Then next process is simplify again. So d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 2 times dy over dx times x minus 2y over x squared. And next process is substitute the dy dx to negative 2y over x. So, d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 2 minus 2 negative 2y over x times x minus 2y all over x squared. Next process is cancel the x in the numerator. So, d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 2y times negative 2y over x squared. Process is perform the multiplication. So, d squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 4y minus 2y all over x squared. And next process is subtract. So, this squared y over dx squared is equals to negative 6y over x squared. Then the answer is d squared y over dx squared is equals to positive 6y over x squared. So this is the final answer of the number 2.